Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new work from home based internship update for all the student and freshers. Here primarily you will join as an intern, but after completion of your internship, if your performance is too good, they will provide you full-time employment in this company. So the company name is Sprinto and I will also provide you the link in the description area so that you can also apply for this opportunity. So let's discuss about the job details and also I will provide you the requirements so that you can design your resume accordingly. So here they have mentioned the job role is recruitment intern remote. The main location of the company is Bangalore, but no need to visit any location. As you are an intern, you have to do work from home based job. If you are getting selected as a full-time employment after completion of your internship, you might visit Bangalore in future. Okay. Here they have mentioned the details about the company. You can read it. Responsibilities, they have mentioned only 4 responsibilities, so please read the responsibilities and accordingly you should design your resume. Requirements, very important part. Before apply to this role, you just need to check if you are a good fit for this role or not. So first point is excellent communication skills, fluent English language skills, hardworking, committed and available for full-time internship, organized and reliable, a result-oriented individual with a strong work ethic, ability to thrive in a fast-paced and competitive environment, entrepreneurial spirit with a strong mindset. So from here you can gather the skills and mention it in your resume. Benefits, they have mentioned 3 benefits. So first one is 100% work from home, 22,000 per month stipend they have mentioned, but if you are promoted to the full-time employment, your salary will be 35 to 40,000 as a fresher salary. Okay. And last one is letter of recommendation if you perform well. So these are all the details. If you are interested, you just need to click on apply for this job button. You will get the form. There you have to provide all the details and you have to attach your resume. Then you can apply for this opportunity. If your profile is a good fit for this role, the recruiter will reach you within 7 to 10 business days. So that's all about the job update. I hope this will be helpful for all the freshers and students who are looking for a new job. And if you want to get regular job update, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. If there is any doubt, please comment below or you can DM me in my LinkedIn or Instagram profile so that I can resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.